The Princess of Wales arrived in her country's heartland to see at first hand the phenomenon she described as a great success story. That success story is Laura Ashley, and it was to the company's flagship plant in Newtown, mid-Wales, that the royal visitor came. Princess Diana had requested the tour, and the company and its staff were delighted to see her at their prestigious £8 million textile and wallpaper printing factory. She was introduced by the Lord Lieutenant for Powys to local civic dignitaries. Texplan had been officially opened by Sir Bernard Ashley, the company's founder and chairman, a year earlier. The Princess had been unable to attend then, but she is a regular customer and was keen to find out more about the company. When she discovered she was to be in the area, she asked to see the plant. On the site, the preparation and production of plain and printed fabrics, wallpaper and emulsion paint takes place, as well as the finishing of vinyl wallpaper. Once inside, the Princess met Sir Bernard Ashley, who introduced her to members of the company's main board and their wives. The factory is the company's largest plant, and the Princess of Wales spent 45 minutes being shown around this, one of the most advanced factories of its kind in Europe, by Sir Bernard. At the Hydrotex washing range, she met operator Clem Richards, who explained the machine's operation to her. Its main function is to clean excess dye from the cloth. About 100 meters of cloth is cleaned at one time, with the 3 washing cabinets containing about 50 gallons of water. The Italian Reggiani printer can produce designs of up to 12 colors at an average speed of 40 meters a minute. The Princess of Wales was told in some detail how the machine worked, and she was keen to take a closer look. It was explained that dyes are fed through the engraved cylindrical screens, with each making up part of the overall design. A different color is usually used in each of the cylinders. There are currently 1,500 screens in use. A computer monitors every run, and the information is stored so that the screen positions, pressures and temperatures can be repeated later, so ensuring consistent results. The exact speed of the run depends on the complexity of the design and the type of fabric being printed. The print area employees had the opportunity to chat with the Princess, who asked them how long they had worked for the company and about their responsibilities. The tour of the factory ended in the inspection area, where the printed cloth is checked before being dispatched to the company's warehouses. The operators in this part of the factory are looking for problems such as uneven color, printing errors, and fabric faults. There was a great deal of local press and television interest in the royal visit. The operators explained to the Princess of Wales that striped fabrics were the most difficult to check. She asked what effect the work had on their eyesight. Laura Ashley's John James, Adam Lofthouse, and Chris Owen were among the official party. Sir Bernard took the opportunity to check the standard of printing for himself. Texplan can produce 11 million meters of fabric and 2 million rolls of wallpaper each year. The items manufactured here and at the sister plant in Holland form many of the products on sale in Laura Ashley's 370-plus shops worldwide. The Princess and her aides enjoyed a private buffet prepared by catering manager Alan Sharkey. Then she spent almost half an hour chatting at an informal reception to some of the 300 staff from the company's factories and shops. Sir Bernard declared the event a great success. Princess Diana signed the visitor's book using a pen which was later raffled for charity. She also autographed a photograph of herself for the company. Sir Bernard presented her with a signed copy of Laura Ashley's style, which she said she'd look forward to reading. The crowd waited patiently outside the plant for the Princess of Wales to re-emerge. Security was low-key but stringent. Special branch officers and uniformed police had made several visits to the factory before the event, as well as maintaining a strong presence on the day itself. As she left Texplan, she was asked if she had enjoyed the visit. "Oh yes," she replied warmly, "very much." After saying farewell to Sir Bernard Ashley, the princess spotted a posy being eagerly waved by a little girl. Risking being late for her next appointment, she felt she couldn't disappoint one of her many fans. And while she was there, couldn't resist greeting a few more of those smiling faces before taking her leave. With a final wave, the Princess of Wales left Laura Ashley and Texplan. And in the wake of her visit, many happy memories of a very special royal day.